I'm going to the store. I have claustrophobia. Ow! Ouch! Okay. Look. Okay. There. Hey, your money, sir. Thank you. What's that?
Naman. Napaka-utang?
Wala.
Hindi, napaka-utang ni si Ryan.
I want some shampoo.
Ano?
I want some shampoo.
What?
I want shampoo.
Where?
Mommy's
You
going
choose
to
where?
take a bath.
What you like? This one, this two, or this three? Choose.
This is mango. Where's the orange?
Ano bang bilhin mo?
Shampoo.
Ano ba yung klase? What kind of shampoo? This one? How much pila?
1.
3?
No, 2.
2?
Wala ko malagi ang gasol eh.
Na ano yun?
There we go.
Oh. 2. Another one. Ano pa?
I want pang orange.
Pang orange? Ay,
I walk at the store.
na kung gusto mo rin, nasulod.
Cute.
Ano? Another one.
Ice cream daw.
Ice cream. What? How much pila? 2. Okay, enough na? Another one. Pagpilitin.
Coke. Tapos duha ka ice po. Tag-test bang ice po? Video.
Kadali. Kamok ni.
Oh, it's a house. Oh no. Bye. Oh, it's not a goodbye yet.